Hello everyone. This week's art activity is going to be all about shapes. Last time we made a picture using lines. This time we're going to make a picture using shapes. For this activity, you will need a piece of blank paper, either in your art sketchbook or another piece of paper, a pencil, maybe an eraser, and something to color with, either markers or maybe crayons. This week we're going to use shapes to make a landscape. Start with your paper sideways like this, and the first thing we're going to do for our landscape is we're going to draw a horizontal line across the bottom of our paper to give ourselves a horizon. That's like the ground that all of our buildings or trees or cars is going to sit on. After that, you should think about what kind of buildings or other things you want in your landscape. You could make tall buildings using a rectangle, with a rectangle for a door, and maybe some windows made out of squares. You could make a house out of a square and a triangle, a square for the bottom part of the house, and a triangle for the roof. You can use smaller shapes to add details to your house. Your windows don't necessarily have to be squares and rectangles though. Since we're making a landscape, we're going to be using both geometric and organic shapes. So far, we've only used geometric shapes. Now we're going to use some organic shapes and make sure we have both in our picture. To start, I'm going to use some organic shapes to make some clouds in the sky. I'm also going to use some organic shapes to make a tree. I'm going to start with a rectangle, which is a geometric shape, for the trunk. But then when I put the leaves on, I'm going to use an organic shape to make the leaves. Next, I'm going to make a car. The body of the car is definitely an organic shape. But the wheels, which are circles, are a geometric shape. Try to add as many fun details as you can think of to your landscape. Maybe I'll add some birds flying in the sky. Do you think the birds are geometric shapes or organic shapes? Make sure to add lots of detail to your picture, and make sure that you use both geometric and organic shapes. Once you've drawn your landscape the way you like it, you can use your coloring things to add some color to your picture. When you're done, submit a photo of your artwork to this assignment so that I can see your great work.